Hey guys, so today I'm really excited to be bringing you kind of an opening, unboxing of the Bump Box. And as y'all know, I am pregnant, so this is perfect for my channel right now. And I wanted to just open it together. I've never had one of these, and the company was so kind and they sent me this. It feels pretty heavy. The box is like really nice, so look at that. Pretty pink. Okay, I turned the light down a little bit, so hopefully that didn't make too much of an impact. That's probably good there, so you can see everything. So yeah, this is Bump Box, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it, and I'm also going to unbox it for you so you can see what's in it. And if you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave the link below for you to check out. So yeah. So with the subscription box, you can do a month by month, and it's $39.99. And so you would get a box for just that month, and then you would have to redo your subscription. Or you can do a 3-month, a 6-month, and a 9-month. So they're all different prices, which I'll leave the link below so you can check it out if you're interested in, you know, seeing all the pricing and how many you get and stuff like that. So have stuff that's like good for your first month, even up till your kid is like a little toddler. So you can kind of like, I think you can choose what range you want the box to be in. So like if you're pregnant or if you have kids already or if you had your baby, you know. Boxes arrive between the 15th and the 29th of each month. So that's around when you would get your box every month. Yeah, this is my first one. So it is the 21st and that's when I got mine. So now that you know a little bit about the Bump Box, if you want to know anything else, I advise you to check out the website, and everything you need to know is there for you. But for this video, we are going to be opening the Bump Box and seeing what's inside. I have no idea what's inside, so I'm really excited to be opening it with you for the first time. Ooh! It smells really good. I don't know what's in here though. Let's see. I'm going to give you guys a little overview of what's in here. Okay guys, so you got a little peek to see what's inside, but first thing I see is Tame the Flame. This is what this looks like. And it's actually a heartburn relief, which is awesome because I've literally been just starting to get heartburn. So it's mint flavor and it gets rid of heartburn, so that's really cool. Assuming it's like a bottle. Awesome. Healthy Mama, Tame the Flame, Heartburn Relief. Safe for mom and baby, calcium rich, gluten free, delicious mint flavor. Definitely going to be using those because the heartburn at night is getting real. So this little letter thing they sent in here, and it says, it's time to get that pregnancy glow on. So it's time. It's true. You are pregnant. Glow. It's true. Your pregnancy glow is absolutely stunning. These products are remarkably wonderful for keeping that glow going day after day. Staying active, hydrated, and using safe skincare products is all you need. Get your glow on, gorgeous. I don't know why that was such a tongue twister for me. For like that, I don't know. Oh yay, this is Stretch Mark like cream or oil. Extra hydrating and nourishing body oil. Ooh, fast absorbing, non-toxic, cruelty-free. That's awesome. Because I'm almost running out of the oil I've been using. And I prefer an oil over a cream. Oh, let's smell. Ooh, it smells very organic. I like it. Well, not organic, like earthy. That sounds really good. What's this? Relax, energize, plus relieve. Oh, wait. So these are bath bombs. I love bath bombs, you guys. Oh my god, they smell so good. Look at this little pack. They're all white, so. That's nice because I have bath bombs every single night. So it says relax, relieve, Relax, energize, and relieve. So relief is just a bath away. More energy than a cup of coffee. Ready, set, relax. So little things like to boost you up. That's pretty cool. Cooling leg and foot cream. Oh my god. I've been having restless legs a lot, and at night, and my legs just feel like super just annoying. So I think this will really help. Massage and you guys, I literally cannot talk today. It's a cream. And let's see. It's Bella B Tummy to Toes. It's got a thing on it, so I should probably take it off so I can smell it. This is really cool. It smells really minty. I love it. Oh yeah, I would definitely use that. And all this stuff is safe for you and baby if you're pregnant. And last but not least, before my camera died, I got this water bottle. It says "Feeling Fly as a Mother," and I thought this was so cute. Ooh. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and if you're interested in this box, check the links below. And I'd love to hear what you guys want to see next for another video. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below, or if you've ever tried this box out yourself and how you like it, I would love to hear that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!